Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group. I am so excited because today we are in Reflections at Seabrook and I am back with Ira Horn with Providence Homes. And Ira is going to be showing us a beautiful quick move-in home that they currently have available. So Ira, tell us where we're
Well,
at.
thank you. Welcome and welcome to all the viewers out there. We're at one of my favorites. It's a new floor plan, Providence's newest floor plan that's already won awards and it's one of our top sellers, nestled right between the end of the cul-de-sac and the opening to Nocatee's newest signature golf cart path right to the town center and all of the top amenities at Nocatee. This is the Cypress. It is 2,400 square feet,
Big.
big house, 4 bedrooms, two and 3.5 baths, excuse me.
I love
Come
this
on.
porch area. I love the street that it's on. We didn't show off the cul-de-sac, but you'd have to come and see it for yourself. I'm super excited for you guys to see this.
Come on in. Got a powder bath right off the entrance, convenient for your guests so they don't have to go in the bedroom areas to use the facilities.
Wow. As soon as you walk in, there's so much natural light.
Look at the
Wow.
vaulted ceiling that carries right out to the covered patio.
Love that.
And Carling, check out this kitchen.
Oh my gosh.
Very well appointed. Love this hood. It's practically commercial grade as a GE cafe. So if you ever have a lot of smoke, right out.
It's a very clean. I love all the white. I love this very light green. It's kind of hard to see in the camera, but it's stunning. And of course,
the stacked cabinet.
The stacked cabinets. I was just about to say, it's beautiful. And then you've got a little coffee/wine bar over to Carling's right, which is beautiful. We're just about to walk through that now.
Plenty of storage. You've got a laundry room with a window and a sink, which
That's
is always
nice.
very nice.
Tons of cabinets in here as
A
well.
lot of boxes, a
Yeah.
lot of drawers. And just while we're here, here's the entrance to the garage. I want to just show you a couple of quick things. So you've got a water softener loop for those who want to add a water softener. It's already plumbed in. And this is something that Providence does standard on all of their garages, which is an automatic fan to vent off any fumes when you drive in the garage. So it makes the air cleaner as a matter of best practices, the way Providence builds a house.
One thing I want to mention is these beautiful floors. And of course, Carling's walking back through the kitchen. You can see those two-tone cabinets. It is a beautiful, almost like mossy green. It is stunning. Walking back through the living room to this beautiful view.
Now check out this outdoor living, water to preserve. And what you see back here is a boardwalk to the center of Nocatee to splash and spray the storied amenities here and right into town center. So if you wanted to take your golf cart right down there, the entrance is there, this is where it goes,
Absolutely.
a direct shot. And it's really best for all the people
Absolutely.
in this tight area here.
So you're looking at our extended greenway trails, which take up about 30 miles of interconnected trails throughout Nocatee. So Ira's right, it can take you right from your home. You're close to the entrance of it here in Reflections. It'll take you to the town center. It'll take you to the amenities. So it is honestly a great addition to have so close to this home. And I love this lot.
And that little bit of construction there, it's okay because it's going to provide the prettiest boardwalk through the trees right to the center of everything.
Absolutely. And it'll be completed in just less than probably 60 to 90 days. Also,
Wow.
this is a really big porch area.
All pavers. And if you notice, how many covered patios do you see with a vaulted ceiling at the covered patio?
Not many.
That carries it out from the
Stunning.
living space.
All right.
Very
Let's go check
cool.
out the primary suite.
One of the things I always like to point out, especially when there's a little construction, is how quiet our houses get when you close the door.
You wouldn't even know there was construction going on back there.
Check out this owner suite. Don't even have to turn on the lights to show you how well lit and all the natural light that comes in here.
Love the tree ceilings. I really like how the primary is very set separate from pretty much the rest of the house. I like it in this little area.
And I really like showing off this owner's bath. So if you're looking at a lot of houses, most of them don't come with bathtubs at the
Yep.
owners. This one has a beautiful one, this 8-foot heavy glass enclosure,
Beautiful.
giant.
Giant. There is so much counter space here. Oh my goodness.
And for the ladies out there or the
Yep.
men who want to pull up a chair
Absolutely.
to
I would be
make a
sitting
little
there.
vanity, it's an ideal space.
In this closet.
Yeah.
And I love how you guys took the floors all the way through.
I
Super
like
cohesive.
that too. I like that too.
This closet is so big and it just keeps going.
Goes around the corner for big pieces like luggage or just any other storage needs you have.
And as a reminder, if you do live here in Reflections, you would have access to all of the amenities that Nocatee has. So our water parks, all of our satellite pools. You're closest right now to Seabrook Park, which is the newest amenity. But you could just walking distance to it. Now we're gonna go upstairs.
As you go up the stairs, some of the spaces where the extra square footage really comes in handy is for the upstairs. Very big landing area for kids' playroom, built-ins, anything you can think of. It's just a large area. Love the transoms, more natural light.
Perfectly placed windows.
Lots of storage.
Yep. Going into the first of 3 bedrooms up here.
This first bedroom is a suite with its own bath, full bath, and walk-in closet.
Awesome. And I think you said, what, all of them are walk-in closets?
All of them are walk-in closets, and none of them share a wall, so you get that extra degree of privacy.
That's nice.
So sometimes people, well, you want it whether it's a bedroom, but sometimes people use one of the secondary bedrooms as a study. And for loud talkers like me, it's nice to have that.
Yeah, the bedrooms are perfectly situated in this house because they're so separate, which is really nice, but they're still very large and spacious. And of course, with those very large walk-in closets, which you don't always get in secondary bedrooms. So
No, even on bigger houses.
Yes.
Yeah. And, there's a reason this house has won awards and it's one of our top sellers. It just appeals to so many people with the owner suite down and the secondary bedrooms up.
And Carling, I just want you to pop your head in here real quick. So there's a closet here, very large storage closet, and then there's one as well as you're going into the bathroom area. So that's tons of storage up in this loft space.
That secondary bathroom has a bath too, if you have little ones who like to soak.
Very important.
And for those of us with teenage kids, it's lovely to have that separation.
Absolutely.
And of course, it wouldn't be a Providence video proper unless I gave you a little tour of our energy superiority. And this is the mechanical room. It is big. It houses the air handler that always gives you a separate thermostat and separate zones for the owner suite and kids' living area. This house and all of Providence's new houses, being Energy Star and EPA Indoor Air Plus certified, are now offering included a dehumidifier. So on those days when this great air handler isn't taking the moisture out of the air because the so well insulated and the temperature outside is moderate, this continues to take the moisture out of the air, making it a more comfortable, cleaner, long-lasting, high-performance home for you and your family.
All right, now that we've seen this beautiful home, saw all the special features that it truly has to offer, Ira is going to tell us again where we're at, any incentives that are going on, and how you can contact him. So Ira, please remind the viewers where we are at right now.
We're at 248 Dawes Avenue. We've got literally dozens of inventory that are ready to go. On this quick move-in and a select few, we're offering 4.99% 30-year fixed interest. How's that?
Wow.
And this beautiful house is move-in ready for you to come in and see it and contrast it against some of the other choices we have. Feel free to call me directly. My name is Ira Horn, 904-309-2292.
Wonderful. Well, thanks so much, Ira. We hope you guys are having a great week, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.